Have you ever looked at your hairbrush and felt a pang of sadness? Or maybe you've noticed more strands than usual in the shower drain. It's a moment that can really get you down, making you feel a bit helpless as you wonder what's going on up there. I get it. I really do. Your hair is a big part of who you are, and when it doesn't feel its best, you don't feel your best either. It's more than just hair. It's about feeling confident and vibrant from the inside out. So many of us have been there, looking in the mirror, wishing we could find a simple, real solution that doesn't involve complicated potions or expensive treatments. Let's be real for a second. Worrying about your hair can take up a lot of mental space, can't it? You start to question everything. Is it the shampoo, the stress, the season? It's enough to make anyone's head spin. But I want you to take a deep breath with me. What if I told you the answer might not be in a fancy bottle, but in your pantry or your fridge? Here, in our little corner of the internet, where we always want to help, we believe that good food is the foundation of a good life. It's about finding delicious and easy ways to nourish your body, and that absolutely includes nourishing your hair from the very root. That's the whole spirit behind what we do here. It's why I love sharing these tips with you, because I truly want to help you feel amazing. The power to change how you feel is often closer than you think. Today, we're going to roll up our sleeves and talk about something called biotin. Think of it as a secret ingredient for stronger, happier hair that you can find in everyday, delicious foods. We're not talking about bland, boring health food. We're talking about yummy meals and snacks that your whole body, especially your hair, will thank you for. Let's turn that worry into action, one delicious bite at a time. So, are you ready to stop stressing and start eating your way to healthier-looking hair? I thought so. Your hair's best friend. All right, let's get into it. You hear the word biotin a lot, especially in hair product ads, right? It sounds so scientific and mysterious, but I promise you it's super simple. Biotin is just one of the B vitamins, specifically vitamin B7. Think of B vitamins as a big, happy family of workers inside your body. And biotin has a very special job. Its main role is to help your body turn the food you eat, carbs, fats, proteins, into energy. It's like the spark plug that helps the engine run. So what does all this energy conversion have to do with the hair on your head? Everything. Your hair follicles, the tiny factories that produce each strand of hair, are some of the most active cells in your body. They're constantly working and they need a ton of energy and nutrients. Biotin plays a crucial role in making keratin, which is the main protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. When you don't have enough biotin, your body might struggle to make enough keratin, and that can lead to hair that's weak, brittle, and more likely to fall out. Think of it like building a house. Keratin is the bricks, and biotin is one of the most important construction workers on the team. If that worker doesn't show up, the process slows down, and the whole structure can become weak and unstable. That's why making sure you get enough biotin in your diet is so important. You're giving your body the tools it needs to build strong, resilient hair from the ground up. All right, first up on our list is a breakfast champion, a kitchen staple, a true superstar, the egg. You guys know I love eggs. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, or whip them into a frittata. They're so versatile, and guess what? They're absolutely loaded with biotin. The yolk, in particular, is one of the richest natural sources of this amazing vitamin you can find. So all those times you were told to just eat the whites? Forget about it. The golden, delicious yolk is where the hair-strengthening magic hides. It's nature's perfect little nutrient package. But wait, there's more. Eggs aren't just a one-trick pony when it comes to hair health. They're also packed with high-quality protein, which, as we know, is essential since hair is made of protein. Plus, they contain other important nutrients like zinc and selenium, which also play a huge role in keeping your scalp and hair follicles in top shape. It's like a multivitamin for your hair, all wrapped up in a tiny shell. Next up on our biotin-rich deliciousness tour are almonds. Who doesn't love a good crunchy almond? They're the perfect snack for that 3 p.m. slump. Just a small handful of these tasty nuts is a fantastic source of biotin. Just a quarter cup can give you a significant serving. It's a simple way to eat smart and help your hair. But the goodness doesn't stop with biotin. These little guys are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamin E. Think of antioxidants as your personal security guards. They protect your cells, including those in your hair follicles. More vitamin E can promote better scalp circulation. That means more nutrients getting to your hair roots. Plus, they're full of healthy fats. They also contain magnesium. Both are essential for strong, shiny hair. Getting almonds into your diet is a piece of cake. Carry a small bag of almonds with you, in your purse, in your car. Let's talk about one of my favorite root veggies, the sweet potato. These orange veggies are often only seen at holiday dinner, but they should be in your weekly rotation. Why? Because they're fantastic for your hair. Sweet potatoes, A's beta-carotene. The body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A aids cell growth, including hair. Vitamin A helps the scalp produce sebum. Sebum is hair's natural conditioner. It prevents dryness and itchiness. It keeps hair hydrated, shiny, and flexible. A lack of vitamin A can lead to dry, lifeless hair. They also contain biotin, a double whammy for hair health. They're versatile and delicious. Bake them whole until tender. Open a baked sweet potato and add melting butter on top. All right, let's dive into our next food, and this one comes from the water. We're talking about salmon. This beautiful pink-fleshed fish is a true superstar when it comes to overall health, and it's especially brilliant for your hair. First off, salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids you can find. These are the good fats you hear so much about, and they are absolutely essential for a healthy body. They help reduce inflammation throughout your system, and a calm, happy scalp is the perfect environment for healthy hair to grow. These amazing omega-3s also play a direct role in nourishing your hair. They feed the hair follicles and scalp, promoting shinier, stronger strands and encouraging new growth. Think of them as an internal moisturizer for your skin and scalp. But that's not all. Salmon is also loaded with high-quality protein, the fundamental building block of your hair. And, you guessed it, it's another fantastic source of biotin. It's like a trifecta of hair-loving nutrients all in one delicious fillet. Eating salmon is truly one of the most effective ways to feed your hair from within. Now, I know some people might feel a little intimidated by cooking fish, but I'm here to tell you that salmon is one of the easiest proteins to prepare. Seriously. Just place a fillet on a piece of parchment paper or aluminum foil, drizzle it with a little olive oil, squeeze some fresh lemon juice over it, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a few sprigs of dill. Wrap it up in a little packet and bake it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. The result is perfectly moist, flaky, and flavorful fish every time, with almost no cleanup. You can also pan-sear it for crispy skin, flake it into salads, or mix it with some Greek yogurt and herbs to make a delicious salmon salad for sandwiches or wraps. Aim to include a serving of fatty fish like salmon in your diet about twice a week. All right, who's ready to talk about one of the trendiest, tastiest, and most fantastic foods out there? Avocados! It seems like everyone is obsessed with avocados these days. They're creamy, delicious, and an absolute dream for your hair. Avocados are a fantastic source of biotin, but there's more to their goodness. They're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, great for your heart. They help you soak up vital fat-soluble vitamins for your hair. An excellent source of vitamin E, almonds also give you vitamin E. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. It protects your scalp from oxidative stress. It creates a healthy base for hair growth. Eating avocado toast isn't just a trend. You're fighting damage and nourishing at a cellular level. How cool is that? Adding avocados is simple and fun. Avocado toast on whole grain bread, with red pepper flakes sliced in salads. Let's round out our list with 2 food categories that are humble, hardworking, and incredibly good for you. Broccoli and legumes. First up, broccoli. I know, your mom always told you to eat your broccoli, and she was right. This little green tree is a nutritional powerhouse. While it might not have as much biotin as, say, an egg yolk, it's still a really good plant-based source. Plus, it's packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial because it helps your body make collagen, a protein that helps with hair strength and helps stop it from getting brittle. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods. Iron is another super important mineral for hair health. An iron deficiency can be a big reason for hair loss. That's why pairing iron with vitamin C, like broccoli, is a super smart move. You can steam it, roast it until it's crispy and yummy, or throw it into a stir-fry. I love to quickly blanch it and add it to a pasta salad. Don't throw away the stems either. You can peel and slice them. They're just as nutritious and tasty as the florets. Now let's talk about legumes. This category includes all sorts of wonderful foods: lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and soybeans. Legumes are an amazing source of plant-based protein, which is essential for hair growth. They're also packed with iron, zinc, and of course, biotin. Wow, we've covered a lot of delicious ground today. It's amazing to think that all these yummy foods can be your secret weapons in the fight against thinning hair. Eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, salmon, avocados, broccoli, and legumes. It really comes down to this. Nourishing your body from the inside out shows on the outside. Forget complicated rules and expensive miracle cures. The path to healthier, happier hair can start right in your shopping cart and on your plate. It's about making small, consistent, and delicious choices every day. Let's do a quick recap of our action plan. Try starting your day with protein and biotin by cooking up some scrambled eggs. Keep a bag of almonds handy for a smart, crunchy snack. Swap out your regular potatoes for nutrient-rich sweet potatoes a couple of times a week. Aim for a serving of fatty fish like salmon twice a week. Add creamy avocado to your salads and sandwiches. And don't forget to fill your plate with veggies like broccoli and hearty legumes like lentils and chickpeas. See? It's not a diet, it's just adding more good stuff. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient and kind to yourself. It takes time for the nutrients you eat today to show up as stronger, healthier hair weeks and months down the road. The most important thing is to stay consistent and enjoy the process. Have fun in the kitchen. Try new recipes, experiment with flavors, and celebrate the fact that you're taking positive, proactive steps to care for your well-being. Every healthy meal is an act of self-love, and you deserve it. I hope this has left you feeling inspired and empowered. Here at Quiero Ayudarte, our goal is always to give you practical, real-life advice you can actually use. You have the power to make a difference in your health and happiness, starting with the food you eat. So go ahead, make one of these delicious biotin-rich foods part of your meal today. And please share this with a friend or family member who might find it helpful.